binary search, we are going to iterate by each step. Binary search. Okay. The first, let's say array equal to this one, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So the element which we are going to find is 2, right? So low is equal to starting index, high is equal to ending index. So it's a 6. First we are going to find a mid element or a pivot element. So for that we have one formula, low plus high minus low mod of 2. So iteration 1 mid equal to low is 0 plus high is 6, 6 minus 0 mod low 2. So we get mid as 3. So array of 3 is equal to, we have 0, 1, 2, 3. So mid element is 4. So we are going to compare the mid element with the find element. So x is a find element. Okay. So mid element is less than find element. So mid element is 4, find element is 2. No, it is not less than that. Okay. So 4 less than 2. No, it will not. So else, so else case, it is less than the mid element. So we are going to reduce mid by 1 and assign it to high element, I mean high index, mid minus 1. So now high is equal to 3, right? So again iteration 2 will follow. So the while loop check is nothing but low less than or equal to HIGH till that the loop will execute. So low is 0, less than or equal to high is nothing but 2. So the condition will pass and it go to a second iteration. Second iteration we are going to again find a mid. For that 0 plus, so now high is 2 minus 0 mod low 2. So now mid is 1. Okay. So array of 1 is like so mid element is now 2. So now we have to check if 2 is equal to 2. So it is a mid element and find element. So it is true and it will return a element find. This is how the binary search will work. For this, the order of complexity is order of log n. Order of 1 means we will straight away find the find element. So if the mid element is equal to find element, the complexity is order of 1. Otherwise, order of log n for all cases. So the order of complexity in this is best case is order of 1, and worst and medium case is order of log n. So here what we are going to do is, so just we are passing a sorted array and index and low and high means first index and highest index. X means the element which we want to find. Okay. So first we are using a while loop because when low and high is going to meet each other, at that point we will definitely find the element which we want to find. So we are going to write a loop till that the loop should execute. When the low and high is meeting at that time, we'll find a element. So mid in basically in all algorithms we say as uh, pivot, the mid element as a pivot element. Okay, so if array of mid equal to x, it directly it will return the element. It's a order of one case. It's a best case scenario. In medium and worst case scenario, for example, the element is greater than the middle element is greater than the element which we are really need to find. In that time we are going to increase the mid by 1, because you need to search to the left right of the mid element. So you're going to increase the mid element by 1. Okay, then else you're going to search if it is less than the element which we are going to find. So that time we are going to reduce the mid element by 1. So we are, in that case we are going to search to the left of the array. So the point when the low and high meets, in that time we'll find the element 5.